Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to the first timers. Ooh, I'm so excited about this video. I practiced this hairstyle yesterday and it came out okay, so I'm excited to try it again. I hope it comes out okay in front of the cameras, but anyway, please don't forget to subscribe below, like, and leave a comment. So we're gonna be doing a hairstyle today. The problem is that I don't know what it's called, but I've got you guys to tell me what it's called. So please kindly leave a comment below on suggestions on what we should call this hairstyle, please. So before this video, I washed my hair, conditioned my hair, and then I detangled it. And let me tell you a sad story about a hairdryer. I'm gonna hairdry my hair today, but I didn't. So I plugged the hairdryer on the socket, turned it on, and I was like, nope, I ain't gonna hairdry my hair even with cold air hair drying. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. So I plaited this straightening method of mine, and then I went and sit outside like for a good 30 minutes for my hair to air dry itself. So that's what happened. So yeah, so we're gonna do this hairstyle that I don't know what it's called. So guys, I'm really excited. It feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in like forever, so I just feel like talking to you guys, you know, because I just post videos and don't talk to you guys. But I am back now. I'm gonna talk to you guys and greet you with a friendly face. But yeah, let's get this video started. I'm so excited. But I tried this video, this hairstyle yesterday, and it came out okay, guys. I liked it. I hope it comes out the way it came out yesterday. So yeah, don't forget to leave a comment below on what we should name this hairstyle. So let's get this hairstyle started. So I'm gonna unravel my hair, my straightening method, guys. This is how I straighten. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair into two. Ooh, that is so scary. Okay. Using a phone as a mirror is gonna be a problem, so I'm gonna use my mirror on this side just to get the line straight. Oh, Jesus, this is so hard. Then so I'm gonna use my elastic. Elastic.
A few moments later.
So I parted my hair again into 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same side. Also this side, 6. So all you need is just elastic bands. So you use elastic bands to part it. So this is how it goes. So we're gonna start with the first one, right? And I'm gonna tie this. I'm gonna leave just 2 of them. Tie this so they don't disturb me. So I just have 2 now. So So we're gonna start with the first one. So we're gonna divide the second one into two, like that. Okay, right? And the first one also into two. Oh, I hope you can see. And just twist it a little bit like that. That's the first one. And where you divided the second one, you put the first one in between, right? So just like that. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like a poof. Poof, 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 poof. Okay. Take your elastics again and just tie. So you get something like that. Now take off the other one. Pop that one. And now you have the second one. So it's looking. And then do the same to the second one. Just twist it at the end. Put it in the middle. So you see what's happening. Just put it in the middle of the third one. So now you have like two bands on. Two of them. And now with the last one. So we tie it at the end, then elastic band. Right. Just like that. And you have like this little poof poof going on. And what you do is just tuck it in the back. And with a bobby pin, secure it inside. So let's move on to the next side. I'm gonna do the same thing basically. So
One eternity later.
yeah, so basically that's how the hairstyle looks. So all you needed from this hairstyle is a whole lot of elastic bands. So I got mine from OK. It's called Cosmic. It's 29 rand 99 and they're 115 a pack. So I'm sure you can get them anywhere like Spar. You can get them like in supermarkets. So that's all you needed. So I used like 24, I'm sure 24, more or less 24 elastic bands on my head to get this hairstyle done. And then you needed a comb to part your head. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what we should name this hairstyle. So, and also if you've tried the hairstyle and you liked it and it looked nice, please comment below and let me know. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Hope to see you next time with another hairstyle. I'm gonna practice more. Anyway, yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye.